everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So remove the nut and we are going to color the shell from its inside. Now take some white clay and press it on the base of the walnut shell and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make Christmas tree and put it inside the shell. Similarly, we are also making some gifts and look at this beautiful snowman. So yeah, place all of them one after another, join them and look how pretty this gift is looking. We are going to roll this paper and make a cone. Similarly, press this green clay and cover the entire cone. Cut the extra part. Now take a stick and dab it inside. After this, we're going to add some details using this white clay. We are adding some decorations on the top of the cone and look, it's ready. Paste it on this wooden base and cover it as well using this white color of clay. We are making the snow here. Now add some snowman on the top of the clay like this, and we are also making some little gifts and place it on the top of it like this, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Roll this paper, make a cone and take this fairy light. We are going to cover the base using this white color of clay. Now we are going to put the fairy light inside the cone. Let's decorate it from the inside and outside as well. So we are going to put the snowman and cover it like we are doing here. Similarly, we are adding some clay balls around it one after another. We are using different shades of green and cover the entire cone like this. And you can also pick the fairy light from the top and put a star on the top, and look how creative and beautiful this artwork is looking. We're going to press the brown and white clay on the lid and make a base. Similarly, we are making a Christmas tree, so make multiple cut on this green clay and dab it on the top of the white snow. Now we are also making a snowman. Put all of them together like this. We're also adding some oranges and gifts around the snowman and Christmas tree, and look how pretty this artwork is looking. So we're going to fill this circle with colorful ball. Now we're going to make a snowman using this clay. So put the head on the top of it using white clay. Similarly, we're adding cap and muffler as well. Draw the eyes and look, it's ready. We're going to make a base using this white color of clay. Using this brush, we are going to give it texture. Similarly, we are making a Christmas tree using this pink color of clay. Add some pom-pom balls. Now we are making the snowman as well. And look, it's ready. Let's make some gifts. So we are going to take this yellow and blue clay and dab all of them on the base. And we're also adding some colorful balls around, and look, it's ready. Let's make some fun craft using medicine case. So we're going to fill them using colorful balls. Now we're going to make the flower petals using these pink color of balls. We are making 5 such balls and dab all of them around the box like this, and look, your flower is ready. Add more details like we are drawing lines. Similarly, add some leaves as well, and look, your fun craft is ready. I'm sure your kids gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching this video.